Welcome to Feeding Your Soul, a journey to mindful eating and a healthier you. In this video, we will explore the concept of mindful eating and how it can benefit your physical, emotional, and mental health. Through expert advice, practical tips, and personal stories, we hope to inspire you to embark on your own journey towards mindful eating and a healthier you. What does it mean to eat mindfully? Mindful eating is the practice of paying attention to your food, savoring each bite, and tuning into your body's signals of hunger and fullness. It's about being present and aware of your eating habits, without judgment or guilt. Mindful eating has been shown to have numerous benefits, including improved digestion, reduced stress, and a healthier relationship with food. Jane Smith, a nutritionist and mindfulness expert. According to Dr. Smith, mindful eating is about more than just what you eat. It's about how you eat, and the relationship you have with food. By slowing down, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's signals, you can develop a greater appreciation for food and a more positive relationship with eating. John emphasizes that mindful eating can be an important part of a healthy lifestyle, as it can help prevent overeating and promote a balanced diet. By being present and mindful during meals, you can become more in tune with your body's needs and make healthier choices. Sarah shares her journey of learning to eat mindfully, and how it has transformed her relationship with food and her body. Tom shares his tips for staying present and mindful during meals, even when traveling or under stress. We hope that you have learned some practical tips and insights that you can apply to your own life. Remember, mindful eating is a practice that takes time and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. By nourishing your body, mind, and soul with each bite, you can achieve a greater sense of wellness and happiness.